another very easy question to solve for x, given that we have this question. What we're going to do here is what? 9 to the power 9 times 9 to the power 9 times 9 to the power 9 is equals to what? That will implies 9 to the power, example, when you have a to the power n times b to the power n times a to the power n, so times a to the power maybe x. You have what? A to the power n plus x. That's what we have at this point. Good. If we have 9 to the power 9 plus 9 all over what? When you have this, it's just like x, like y. Therefore, we are going to have 3 into 9 to the power 9 is equals to what? 9 to the power x. Okay, hope you understand at this point. Okay, you can see that this numerator is just like what? 9 to the power 9 to the power 9, all that what? Cube. Because 9 times 3 will still give 27. That is 9 plus 9 plus 9. That's what we have. A guy will take at this point maybe divide to have what? 9 to have 9 square all over 3. Some guy might do this to have the answer, but this is actually wrong. You cannot divide. That is not a law of indices. What we do at this point is that since we have to the power 9 here and to the power 3, you know that 9 can be expressed in the form of 3 because 9 is equal to 3 squared. Okay, hence that implies that you can just put it as what? 3 square all that to the power what? 27. We'll just see, because here is just like 9 to the power what? 27. 9 times 3. Okay, hence you can have what? 3 square all to the power what? 27 divided by 3 into what? 3 square all that to the power 9. Here's what we have actually at this point. That will be equals to what? 3 to the power 2x. Okay, you can proceed. 27 times 2, that is 27 times 2. We're going to have what? 54. That will be 3 to the 54 divided by what? 3 squared, that is 9 times 2 is equals to what? 18. Okay, plus 1, because that is 3 to the 1, but 3 to the power 18. Therefore, you have 3 to the power 18 plus 1, that is 3 to the power 19. 3 to the 19 is equals to what? 3 to the 2x. That's what we have here. Hence, to solve here, you can do what? Bring this up and subtract. That is 3 to the power 54 divided by what? 3 to the power 19. Same thing as what? 3 to the 54 minus 19 is equals to 3 to the 2x. 54 minus 19 is equals to what? We have 1 here. That is 5. We have 4. That is 35. Hence, we have 3 to the 35 is equals to what? 3 to the 2x. Okay, since you have the same base, you can just say that 2x is equals to what? 35. Therefore, our x is equals to what? 35 all over 2. And 35 all over 2 cannot have a real, that would be something that is 30. I would have 14.5. Okay, you can just leave at this point. That would be 12.5. So, okay, 1. Okay, 14.5. Okay, we have 14.5. You can just leave at this point and just continue it. Okay, we have 35. Therefore, our answer x is equals to 35 over 2. Just drop at this point.